Hey, so look, the software update Smart Summons is much improved. Look at that, Summons is much better. It's just that backing up, it hesitates a lot with mine because of the parachute. It hesitates because of the parachute there. But depending on the setting, let's see. So we go forward all day. See that curve. But the backing up, it has a hard time doing that because of the parachute. Let me see if he's gonna back up this time now. I trust him, but I don't trust him. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, guy. Is it so tight? That's what she said. Oh, you know what? I mean, that did pretty good though compared to because of the the stuff back there. Let's see here. That's pretty good. Look, Smoke. He'll go. Look, he'll go forward all you want. He'll do it. Look at that. He'll go forward all you want, but backing up, he only gonna go to a certain point because of safety. But I'm pleased that my guy told me to try some, and I did it. And it almost. Oh snap! Hold on. Let's see. All right, let's try this now. Come on. Come on. He trying. He trying. It's that little hump right there, I think. That's still a good little distance though, but hey. Yo, it's your boy EVsmokeATX, Big Texas. Hey, quick, you seen that right quick. I want to show you right quick what we're doing is want to show and talk about today about we got Smoke over there. I'm finna do a little smart summons out the garage. Play with it because me and my guy, they were doing some little tweaking and trying some things out because as you can see on my previous video, if you saw my short, I did a short where I was riding Smoke on the city where it was like he was riding a motorcycle. It was like somebody riding a motorcycle behind me because of the parachute. So we trying to do trying to tweak the Smoke summons to back in and use the reverse without triggering the car because they think it sees somebody back there, because it's not used to a parachute back there, but because it's a race car. But we just trying some things out and tweaking it out as well. But check out that video. It's pretty dope. It's pretty funny, because every time I'm riding and you can see on the screen, it's like somebody riding a motorcycle behind me. That's pretty funny. But anyway, I'm finna to summon the Smoke out of here right quick. So let's see. I'm gonna hit the app here. I'm gonna hit summons. Typically, usually when I hit summons, I can hit it and it's gonna let the garage up automatically. It should. There we go. It should let the garage up automatically because of when I start doing smart summons, it thinks. I mean, what it does, it lets the garage up because of this. We have the I have the MyQ smart garage, and this one here. Let me lay it up here because this one here actually, I didn't program it. I just made it that one. That's the one with Smoke do it, but they are programmed and work on the infotainment system. If you can check out my other video, I did a video on that one. Showing you how to program it. If you got like a smart garage door opener, how you can program it with the Teslas and so on, especially with the newer ones where you don't have to get that additional adapter, which sometimes it requires, or subscription based. Not knocking no company's hustle, because I think some of them you pay monthly on it just to control your garage door opener from the screen, which you shouldn't have to do that. You know, that's neither here or there. But neither one of my cars or whatever, even when I do get Cybertruck eventually, I'm not going to use the programming. It's just going to be programmed straight to the garage door opener. So check out that video. I'll try to link it in at the end of this one. You can check and see how to program it for the ones who would like to know how to do it. Because it's a good feature. Because me personally, up in age and technology, I don't like to use the garage door opener thing, you know, that you keep on the sun visor. I think that's old school. So you should be able to use it on your infotainment system or your Tesla. So definitely check out that video. I'll show you how to program it. It's real easy and simple as well. And it actually is fun to use that way. Because like I say, with this, even with White Ghost 2013, I pull up, you know, I did a video I show you where I pull up to the garage and I get to a certain feet, it's going to automatically let the garage door up on its own. Or when I'm leaving out of Smoke, White Ghost, I'm sorry, it laid it down as well. Smoke can do it too as well. I got a program for both garage over there, but you know, he don't really get that use that much as this will be. But definitely check out that video. But yeah, check out this video right here. I've tried to just demonstrate the smart summon on my race car, on my racing Plaid. You know, pretty fun. It's getting better and better, you know, because there's a tight spot, but safe. They want to make sure you don't damage anything, which I appreciate that. But you know, you got a little technology, but that's where it's going. So definitely. So let me, I got to move this out the way because it ain't going to get out of there. It ain't going to even tempt till I move it out the way. So let me move this out the way and you can see me play with it right quick and get it going. Hey, I'll be right back. Check it out. Alrighty. All right, so I'm going to do smart summons there. Get Smoke out the garage. Of course, he ain't gonna do right because all the stuff in here around it. Damn it. Let's see if it do it now. On the summit there. On the summit. What's that?
What you doing?
Recording.
There you go.
For this smart summons there. Let's see.
All right, Marcus. You okay?
Yes. Come on. See, so it's coming. I know he won't go back in there because the parachute kind of throw it off when you start seeing it get closer. I kind of figured that. But yeah, so that's quick, smart summons right quick out to the garage. Out of the narrow garage, actually. Alrighty. All right, so there you go. You see, bad boy, track ready to do his thing, but he can do what he need to do when he's not at the track. But I just want to show this right quick just to demonstrate how this bad boy is a full-blown race car, whether some people like it or not, or say what they want to say, but still do the daily tech side of what it's about as well when it pertains to Tesla. So, hey, I'm just showing you and proving you that it's great to be an EV owner here in my book and doing what I love doing, and that's racing, getting on people's butt or get my butt whooped, you know. It's no Mayweathers in racing. You win some, you lose some. But I got a nice winning record. So, but anyway, this ain't about that. So stay tuned for that videos come up. We got some racing coming up soon. So definitely stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe to the channel if you already haven't subscribed to it. And definitely check out some of the other videos as well. It's a monster here. Big dude. I'm out. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.